Welcome to SimplyGIS, GIS for everyone.
Hello everyone, welcome to SimplyGIS YouTube channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how to extract contour lines from digital elevation model or DEM data. Contour lines are the imaginary lines on a map that join points of equal elevation above a reference level such as mean sea level. These contour lines are used to represent the three-dimensional shape and relief of the land surface on a two-dimensional map. You might have seen such lines in the topographical map. The main characteristics of contour lines are that they are continuous, they never intersect with each other, and the spacing between them show their steepness. For example, the closer the lines, the steeper the slope, and wider the lines, the slope is gentle. I have imported a SRTM digital elevation model DEM data for this exercise. Let me first visualize the DEM. Right click on it, properties, symbology, render type single band pseudo color, select the turbo, apply it, OK it. You can see the brown areas indicate higher elevation and blue areas indicate the lower elevation. To draw contours, let's go to processing toolbox and search for contour. So when you search for contour, under the GDAL raster extraction, two options emerge. One is contour and another one is contour polygon. The contour will create lines of contour. So the lines will not be closed. They are simple lines, and contour polygon creates polygons of contour. So we generally use contour. Double click on the contour. Your input layer will be the DEM, and you have to set the interval between the contour lines. I am setting it 500, so 500 meters. And attribute name, this is ELEV as default. You can change it to elevation and any other field name. When you will run the contour, there will be a separate column in your contour attribute table where the interval elevation will be mentioned. After that, go downward, and in contours, you can save the file to the desired location. I'm saving it as contours 500M. Save. Keep all other options as they are. Now run. You can see the 500-meter elevation contour lines have been drawn in my map. I'm unticking the DEM. These are the contour lines for my study area. Let's right click on the contour layer and open attribute table. You can see these are the field ID and these are the elevation of those specific lines. Again, right click on it and show labels. When you click on the show labels, you can see these are not the contour intervals, rather they are the field ID. So we have to set the actual contour elevation. So right click on the layer, properties, labels, and under labels in the value field, ID is already selected. So IDs were being shown here. So we have to change this to eleve field where the elevation are mentioned. If you want to change the fonts, you can change from here. If you want to change the size, you can change the size also here. I'm applying it. Okay, apply. Okay. So you can see these are the 1500, 1000, 1500, 2000, 2500, 3000. Okay. So 3000, 3000. So these are the contours created from this digital elevation model or DEM data. Thank you. SimplyGIS is offering 6 months course on basic of remote sensing and GIS, you can visit our website simplygis.in and check details about the course. It is a 6-month course. The classes will be held online on Saturday and Sunday. The time is flexible. Here is the registration form. You can click and register yourself. This is the detailed course structure. For more videos on remote sensing and GIS and tutorials of QGIS and ArcMap, please subscribe our channel SimplyGIS and also click on the notification icon. There are playlists on QGIS and ArcMap. You can check them.